welcome back to the channel. Tonight I've got a commemorative piece I'm turning. The company I work for, our vice president of our division is retiring. Well, I took it upon myself to make him a commemorative piece from our whole entire group that we have around this area. Here it is. And I've engraved it with a laser, and it says "Enjoy retirement from the Macomb Group." This pen is actually it's a fountain pen. It's made out of a maple burl. So join me as we get this commemorative pen turned. Wow, I've got it turned, man. I got this thing assembled. I'm telling you, it actually come out very great. The laser engraver I've got it done awesome. I couldn't be more happy with what I have. It's a NEJE. It's a very small engraver, but it does these very well. This is like the third or fourth one I've ever done. Like I said, it's for the guy. He's retiring, so it's a commemorative pen. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you will, like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell for when I do post new videos, you'll get notified. So, guys, thank you for joining me this evening. Y'all have a good night. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.